Are you tired of trying to hide those love handles? The stubborn fat around your waist can be frustrating, but today, we're going to change that. In this video, we'll reveal 7 powerful exercises that can help you get rid of love handles in just 1 month. Let's get ready to transform your body and build that confidence back. 1. Russian twists. Our first exercise is the Russian twist. This move targets your obliques, the muscles that lie just beside your abs. To perform the twist, sit on the ground with your knees bent, lean back slightly, and hold a weight or medicine ball with both hands. Twist your torso from side to side, keeping your core tight and your back straight. You can increase intensity by lifting your feet off the floor. Why it works: Russian twists focus on your waistline, specifically the muscles that wrap around the sides of your body, where love handles tend to appear. 2. Side plank hip lifts. Next up, we have side plank hip lifts. This move is a fantastic way to target both your obliques and your core. Start in a side plank position with your elbow directly under your shoulder, your body in a straight line, and your feet stacked. Lower your hips towards the ground and then raise them back up to the starting position. Aim for 15 to 20 reps per side. Why it works: this exercise activates the muscles on the sides of your body, burning fat and toning the area around your love handles. 3. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are an absolute game changer for targeting the obliques and upper abs. Lie on your back with your knees bent and hands behind your head. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee as you extend your right leg. Switch sides in a pedaling motion, keeping your elbows wide and engaging your core. Do 15 to 20 reps per side. Why it works: bicycle crunches combine a twisting motion with leg extension, making them perfect for attacking stubborn love handles. 4. Mountain climbers. Let's get the heart rate up with mountain climbers. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Drive one knee towards your chest and quickly switch legs, simulating a climbing motion. This exercise not only targets your core, but also works your hip flexors and shoulders. Why it works: mountain climbers engage your whole body, burning calories and fat while strengthening your core muscles to fight those love handles. 5. Flutter kicks. Now let's get into some flutter kicks. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Lift your legs off the ground slightly and alternate kicking them up and down in a scissor-like motion. Engage your core throughout, keeping your lower back pressed against the floor. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds of flutter kicks, then take a short rest. Why it works: flutter kicks engage the lower abdominal muscles, a key area where love handles tend to settle. 6. Standing oblique crunches. Standing oblique crunches are a simple but effective move to target your love handles. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hands behind your head. Bring your right elbow down towards your right knee as you lift your knee up to meet it. Repeat on the other side, alternating for 15 to 20 reps per side. Why it works: this move helps tighten and tone the oblique muscles while also improving overall core strength. 7. Leg raises. Last but not least, leg raises. This move works your lower abs and helps reduce fat around the waist. Lie flat on your back with your hands by your sides or under your hips for support. Lift both legs up to a 90-degree angle, then slowly lower them back down without touching the floor. Aim for 15 to 20 reps. Why it works: Leg raises focus on toning the lower abs, helping to slim down the love handle area by tightening your core. Incorporating these 7 exercises into your routine can make a huge difference in the fight against love handles. Consistency is key. Perform them at least 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll see noticeable changes in as little as 1 month. Remember, while these exercises help, a healthy diet is equally important in reducing fat in targeted areas. Ready to get started? Drop a comment below if you're excited to tackle those love handles. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and workout routines.